How to temporarily turn off your Wells Fargo card. Hey everybody, welcome back. In today's video, we will be guiding you step by step on that. So without any delay, let's just get started. So for that, what you may do is once you open up your Wells Fargo application within your device, you may look out for the menu in the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. After you tap on it, the menu opens up. Now from the menu, you may look out for the option called card settings, which is right above account services and your profile name. You may just go ahead and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you will be getting different settings within your card. So you may look out for the very first option within your card settings, which is called turn card owner off. You may just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here it will give you card controls for your specific card that you would like to turn off. So you may select up that card. After that, what you may do is right below the card, you will be finding an option called card owner off. You may look at that option. Right now the status is on. If you would like to turn off the card, you will be finding a toggle option right beside it. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, your card will be turned off. You can find the status being off, and it also says that your card is off and other cards that may linked to your account have not been turned off. And you can look out for this section. You can look out for international users as well, and there you will be finding your card has been turned off. So that way you can temporarily turn off your Wells Fargo card. If you would like to turn it on, you can just head over the same settings and toggle it on, and that is it. So you may follow up this method if you would like to do so. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.